According to Bespoke Investment Group, 2023 is going to end up. And they say it's all because of volatility in the markets. Half of the trading days for the S&P 500 have recorded daily moves of at least 1% volatility. And whenever we've had this much volatility in the past, more often than not, the market finished that year with at least a double-digit increase. Recent examples of this were increases in 2003, 2008, 2009, and 2016. For example, 2003 finished up 26%, 2009 finished up 23%, and 2016, the most recent, finished up around 10%. And if you paid attention to most of my recent videos, I've been talking and bringing up the VIX, V-I-X. I first started talking about it when it fell below $17. I brought it to everybody's attention and I said, pay attention to this. Because I've had enough experience in trading that I knew that the VIX at that level was just too low right now, especially for this current trade environment that we're in. I kept pointing out that it was a buy and it should potentially climb from there. And it recently hit a high of $23.63, and since then it's pulled back. Now I'm expecting more of a pullback because I think the markets are still attempting to sort out the tail end of this rally that we've been experiencing since October. I consider it a buy under $20. Now, even though Bespoke researchers believe that the current volatility that we have seen in January points to an increase by year's end, we've got another significant investor called 50 Cent that a really interesting tweet came out about. He said the VIX should soon hit $50. What exactly is the VIX? How do you trade the VIX? And who is this 50 Cent fellow? I'm going to give you guys the answer to all those questions today. Welcome to the Stocks with Josh show. Thank you for hitting the like. Subscribe to get daily videos on stocks and cryptos. Don't forget, there are scammers in the comments section. They use my name and my picture, impersonating me, trying to get you guys to contact them on WhatsApp and Telegram, but you're prepared. Anyways, quick update on BABA. I bought yesterday below $93, and even though earnings came out this morning and they beat expectations, the stock sold off. And I did have the inkling that that could be a possibility. But I told you guys that I was going long because I believe that even if the markets reacted badly to their earnings, that technically this is the right spot to be in BABA. It's sitting above $94. It's still up. I'm still in profit, but I'm still expecting a move higher. Now, I've warned in the past about over trading and not sticking to your game plan. I am sticking to my convictions on BABA right now. My stop loss is set at $92, and I'm expecting a much bigger move up. So, 50 Cent is betting big on a surge in market volatility.
This guy has a lot of money, man. He's not even, you don't even wonder if it's an if or a maybe. This is the hardest record out.
No, not that 50 Cent, but rather a mysterious trader known as 50 Cent. This guy in the past has been known to make money off of market volatility by the way of consistently buying the volatility index, aka the VIX. He buys options that usually cost about 50 cents. The VIX, known as Wall Street's Fear Index, it gauges the expected volatility of the US stock market. And at key moments in the past, this large, unknown VIX option whale buyer has appeared out of nowhere, buying hundreds of thousands of these cheap VIX options priced at 50 cents, thus the name. It could be Curtis James Jackson III, we don't know, or anybody in the world. It's simply unknown. But what is known is that they have been very successful at trading the VIX and they have become legendary for it. And what you need to know is that they started a new position. I've explained what the VIX is in past videos, but to keep it short and sweet, the VIX measures volatility, and volatility in the market is said to reflect fear. Right now, the VIX has been sitting at a 13-month low as the markets have been going higher, but this VIX bet is suggesting that that could soon change. The VIX will become a rocket ship if we have a capitulation moment in the markets. And so this 50 cent range buyer has put their money where their beliefs are and has taken a risk position that the markets are indeed on the precipice of selling off and crashing. 50 Cent does not believe that we're in a new bull market. 50 Cent believes that this is a bear market rally getting ready to crap out. Bear Chart, a provider of quotes and other market data, broke the news on February 15th that someone purchased 100,000 call options for 50 cents each, betting that the VIX will spike to $50 by May. Then on Wednesday, another 50,000 contracts were bought for 51 cents apiece. Barchart tweeted, 50 Cent is back. No, not the rapper. The trader who became famous years ago is likely back with a huge volatility bet. Whoever 50 Cent may be, they're anticipating a sizable surge in the VIX, and that's no joke because the last time they took this bet, back in 2018, they made $200 million. For VIX to get to $50, that would be very unusual because for the markets to crash, it only has to even hit $40 range. So they believe that a bigger than expected crash is coming. When we got the COVID crash, the VIX spiked over $84. The VIX has only throughout 2022 mostly hit $35 or slightly above that numerous times. So what is my personal experience trading VIX options? Well, it began over a decade ago with a friend of mine named James Hatchett. He taught me how to trade options to begin with. I was completely green, and he very graciously would take my calls and let me ask him questions. He introduced options to me and the VIX, and I didn't know a thing about it at the time. Now, he had been swing trading VIX call options pretty successfully on and off, and I asked him, what are you buying? And he said, well, I'm buying that, buying the VIX right now, and I just blindly followed him. I didn't have the slightest idea of the risk involved in options at that time. So I bought what he bought, which even though that worked for a while, it ultimately led me to taking risks that I didn't understand. Sometimes big wins can be even more dangerous than big losses. Anyways, the VIX in this case, after I took a large position, it popped, okay? About 48 hours later, my $2,000 investment turned into $22,000. It was, of course, super exciting at the time, and it was one of my biggest wins in trading. Now, I had bought options that were just about a week out. They were very close to expiration. They were at 20 cents. After my initial position, it kept falling. It was time decay, and so I bought from 20 cents down to 11 cents, and I accumulated a nice little pile, and then they popped. And I didn't even understand the basics of options at that time. So I held them thinking that they were really doing well, and then in a couple days it could even be up. But then later, I checked my portfolio one morning and they weren't even in my account. They were missing, which was, of course, super confusing and alarming to me. So I called up the exchange and I noticed that my account balance was correct. But the problem was I wasn't holding any of those options anymore. But they explained to me that they basically had that they had expired, that they had cashed me out of my position, that I was in the money, and that the difference that I saw in my account was what I had made. So this brings me to the subject of how to trade the VIX. Before I get into that, I want you guys to check out this offer from the MooMoo investment app. They're currently giving away more stocks than usual, 17. This is an exclusive and limited time offer. If you open and fund an account with $100, you're guaranteed at least 2 free shares of either AI or a stock named BBAI, and up to 5 other free stocks. Click on the link in the top pinned comment for more information on how to get those bonus stocks. Those 2 stocks are trending ChatGPT picks. I'm going to explain that more in an upcoming video. Click the link, get the free stock, and start learning and investing today. So how exactly do you trade the VIX? Well, there isn't a ticker to buy the VIX named VIX. The VIX is an indicator, and you have to buy or sell other ETFs to trade its movement. The one that I prefer is the VXX. You can buy call options out for May, which is when 50 Cent bought his, and you can buy out of the money options under 50 Cent right now. This is super high risk. These can absolutely go to zero. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, sell, or hold. Any money invested in this play should be considered lost if volatility remains low. If you believe that we're in a bull market, you wouldn't buy this particular option. These will eventually expire worthless if volatility remains low. These slowly lose money in a low volatile environment. This trade will only pay off if we get a massive capitulation event similar to the COVID crash. When that happened, this option shot up and hit a high of $315. So yes, if It does what you think it's going to do. It could have a massive payday, but it really is like playing roulette at the casinos. You're kind of putting everything on black or red and waiting for the outcome. I am in a VIX position right now. I'm going to be taking small positions slowly over time. Right now, they're pretty cheap. And if we get that capitulation event, then yeah, it could be a massive win. But I'm only putting money into it that I can absolutely afford to lose. Money that you could essentially say that you kiss goodbye. All right, today I'm closing this video with a little investment wisdom from the actual 50 Cent Mr. Curtis Jackson III. I thought that would be fitting. I want you guys to check out this clip.
If you ask the guys on top of Fortune 500 companies, right, what was their biggest investment? The biggest investment is in friendship, it's in their relationship. Because if you ask them where they took their biggest losses, there's a column that simply states in Forbes that says married and divorced, right? And this is where Fortune 500 companies turn into Fortune 250.
I love what he said there. Listen, all real wealth building is based on relationships. 50 Cent just told you that the billionaire whales that win and lose big win big on who they know, and they lose big when they fail at important life relationships. What he is saying, I know to be 100% true. I'm a married man. I've been married for 28 years, and I absolutely consider that relationship to be my greatest success in life. And I know that you guys see the value that I place on friendships. You guys see my friendship with Larry Jones on display, and you see me getting to know Keenan and Mo even better. I say to my family all the time, people are the problem, and people are the solution. Surround yourself with good people. Stay faithful to your spouse, and you will be on a path to true success. On that note, hit the like, subscribe, and join the Stock Josh family to be part of this trade community. I wish you guys all great success in your trade journey. Peace and blessings. I'll see you in the next video.